Never ignore this symptom of muscle decline. And the simple food fix. As we grow older, our body begins to whisper before it ever shouts. Some people notice it when they climb the stairs and feel their legs grow heavy. Others when they stand up from a chair and take a moment longer to steady themselves. It's easy to brush it off and think it's just age. But sometimes, these quiet signals are the body's way of asking for attention. Today, I want to talk to you about one of those signals, a symptom that too many people ignore. It's called muscle decline, or what doctors know as sarcopenia. And I'll show you how one small dietary change, a simple food fix, can make a real difference. I'm Dr. Rahman, and in this calm conversation, I'll walk you through why muscle decline happens, how it affects your everyday life, and how something as ordinary as the right kind of protein can help rebuild your strength, confidence, and independence. Let's begin with a story that might sound familiar. Mr. Karim is 72. He's always been active, walking to the market, playing with his grandchildren, tending to his small garden. But over the past year, he's noticed small changes. Carrying groceries feels heavier. Getting up from the floor after playing with the kids takes more effort. And when he looks in the mirror, he sees thinner arms and legs. He thinks, maybe it's just getting older. One day, he slips slightly while reaching for a shelf. He doesn't fall, but it's enough to scare him. He wonders, why do I feel weaker? This is where many seniors find themselves, not sick, but not feeling quite strong either. And the truth is, what's happening inside Mr. Karim's body isn't just about aging, it's about muscle loss, a gradual process that begins quietly in midlife and accelerates after 60. Think of your muscles like strong woven ropes made of tiny fibers. Throughout your younger years, your body builds and repairs these fibers constantly. Every time you move, lift, or eat a protein-rich meal, your body sends a signal. Build new tissue, stay strong. But as we age, that signal weakens. The body becomes less efficient at using protein to repair muscle fibers. Hormones that help growth decline naturally. And with less physical activity, those powerful fibers start to shrink and weaken. By the time we reach 60, the average person has lost up to 30% of their muscle mass. That loss doesn't just affect strength, it changes balance, posture, metabolism, and even brain health. Now, you might be thinking, I eat normally. I walk every day. Why would this happen to me? The reality is that normal eating often isn't enough as we grow older. A slice of toast and tea for breakfast, a light lunch, and maybe rice for dinner fill the stomach. Yes, but they don't always feed the muscles. Our body needs amino acids, the building blocks of protein, to repair tissue. Without them, your muscles start to break down faster than they rebuild. Inside each muscle cell, there's a balance between two processes, synthesis, which builds new muscle, and degradation, which breaks old tissue down. In youth, synthesis dominates. But after 50, the balance tilts the other way. Inflammation increases, physical activity decreases, and the muscles become less sensitive to the effects of protein. This is called anabolic resistance. It means that even if you eat the same amount of protein you did at 40, your muscles may not respond the same way at 70. But this resistance isn't permanent. You can overcome it with small, deliberate choices. Among the many foods that support muscle health, one stands out for being both accessible and powerful: Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in high-quality protein, calcium, and probiotics, all of which work together to support muscle and bone strength. Each serving gives your body around 10 to 20 grams of protein, along with nutrients that improve digestion and absorption. So your muscles actually get more of what you eat. It's not just yogurt. The same benefit can come from eggs, fish, soy, cottage cheese, or lentils. But Greek yogurt has one advantage. It's easy to digest, gentle on older stomachs, and can be taken any time of day, as a breakfast, snack, or even dessert. Imagine this simple routine. Every morning, you start your day with a bowl of Greek yogurt, topped with a few almonds and slices of banana. It takes less than 5 minutes, but inside your body, something remarkable begins to happen. Your muscles receive a fresh supply of amino acids. The cells activate protein synthesis. And with consistency, those signals start to grow stronger again. Over weeks and months, you might notice your energy returning. Climbing stairs feels smoother. Your steps feel steadier. And most importantly, your confidence returns. That's the quiet power of nutrition. It works slowly, silently, but deeply. Now, one food alone isn't magic. It's about a pattern, a way of eating that supports your body every single day. Research shows the best results come when protein intake is spread across the day. Don't save all your protein for dinner. Your muscles can only use so much at once. Combine protein with movement. Light exercises like walking or resistance bands amplify the benefit of every gram of protein. Stay hydrated. Muscles are 75% water, and dehydration weakens their ability to repair. Include vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, magnesium, and omega-3 fats. They keep muscles responsive and flexible. I've met countless patients who tell me, "Doctor, I just feel tired all the time," or "I can't do what I used to." Often, it's not a serious illness. It's muscle loss with mild protein deficiency. And muscle isn't just about movement. It's a metabolic organ. It helps regulate blood sugar, maintain body temperature, and support the immune system. When muscle declines, the whole body feels it. That's why I always say, preserving muscle is preserving life. So what can you do starting today? Listen to your body. If you notice weakness, slower walking, or difficulty standing up, don't ignore it. That's your signal. Your body is whispering, "Feed me better, move me gently, keep me alive." Adjust your meals. Add one high-protein food to every plate. A boiled egg with breakfast, lentils or beans with lunch, fish or chicken with dinner, and yogurt or nuts as a snack. Move daily. You don't need a gym. Simple activities like walking, climbing stairs, stretching, or light resistance exercises are enough. The key is consistency. Even 10 minutes a day sends powerful signals to your muscles to stay active. Rest and recover. Muscle building happens during rest, not while you're working. Sleep well, manage stress, and give your body time to heal. It's never too late. Even at 70 or 80, your body can respond to care. I've seen seniors regain strength, balance, and joy simply by nourishing themselves better. One of my patients, an 81-year-old woman named Ruxana, began adding Greek yogurt and light exercise to her routine. Within 3 months, she could walk longer distances and felt less tired. She told me, "Doctor, I feel alive again." That's the magic of small, consistent change. When we talk about health at an older age, it's not just about years of life. It's about life in those years. The ability to stand, walk, hug your grandchildren, and cook your favorite meal. These are the real measures of wellness. So the next time you feel that quiet weakness, don't ignore it. It's your body asking for care. And care can be as simple as choosing the right food. Aging is not a disease. It's a natural process that can be lived with strength, dignity, and joy, if we listen to our bodies and give them what they need. The symptom of muscle decline doesn't have to define your later years. With awareness, nutrition, and movement, you can reverse much of its effect. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for breakfast, think of your muscles. Give them what they've been asking for. A little protein, a little movement, and a lot of care. I'm Dr. Rahman, reminding you, small changes make a big difference.